Yo, what up guys? Let's jailbreak this mother. Fire TV stick, here we go. Alright guys, are you looking to jailbreak your Fire TV stick? If so, check this out. It's a fairly simple process. Step 1. Find the app downloader. Come to the Find Search feature, little magnifying glass. Type in downloader, or just push the microphone button and say it. Downloader. It's a little orange icon here with a pointing down arrow. We just click on that, get it, install it, it's yours to go. Once it's downloaded, you will need to go over to the little cog wheel to My Fire TV in order to jailbreak your Fire TV stick. If you do not have developer options, click on the About, click on Fire Stick, click on your select button 7 times, and as you can see, it already comes up, no need, you're already a developer. Go down to developer options, turn on ADB debugging, install unknown apps, turn on downloader. This allows downloader to sideload apps onto your Fire Stick from anywhere. Step 2. Open downloader. If you do not have a downloader here on your quick links, click on the 3 squares plus sign icon. She'll come down. If it's down here, you can hit your little hamburger button and it'll ask you to move it or move to front, and you can move it to wherever you'd like. So back to the home screen, click downloader. Downloader is a nifty little tool that lets us sideload things. So downloader is a nifty little tool that lets us download stuff. Go to websites and directly download from websites. So we're going to enter a URL here, and you can either enter ledbytheunknown.com or you can use the quick link here, 546835, and this will go directly to Led by the Unknown's website. It's a 5-second redirect. So while this happens all the time, if you do this for each time, or once it loads, we can hit the little hamburger button again on your remote, go add current page to favorites, and it'll save it to the favorites, and you just name it whatever you'd like. Save. As you can tell, it says I already have it, so it makes it nice and easy for everybody. Now guys, this website's updated quite often, so easiest way to get to the download screen is click the little menu button and just click on the little downloads icon there. Or in our case today, we're just going to go down. There's the downloads one, but I'm going to use the downloads for YouTube. The downloads and the downloads for YouTube do have the same apps. The regular downloads may have some extras. So guys, I would highly recommend getting yourself a VPN. Take out your phone, scan the QR code, and sign up today for up to 65% off VPN through IPVanish. This is an affiliate link, so it helps keep the lights on and the site a-moving. So once we're down here, guys, just click on down. As you can tell, we got some stores and we got some apps to download. So today, let's just download a quick app called Zumo TV. Once you click on this, it brings you to the Zumo download page. And in the Zumo download page, it gives you the option to download to the Amazon device or an Android device. So in this case, we have the Amazon Fire TV stick, so we'll click on that. It's a quick little easy 17 meg download. Guys, hit the like button and subscribe if you know what's good for you. If you like these kind of videos, please keep clicking. It helps out the algorithm from what I've been told. So now that Zumo TV is downloaded onto our Fire Stick, it's going to ask us to install it. So we're just going to click yes, install down at the bottom right. And then once Zumo Play or Zumo TV is installed, we can hit done. And then we can just delete the APK file, delete, and we're good to go. Now as you can see, it's ready to launch today. So if we hit the back button, so if we click on Led by the Unknown again up here, go to in the main home page, go back to our downloads for YouTube here, and as you can tell, there's many other apps that we can download and enjoy, like Pluto TV, Disney, Peacock TV, you name it. Guys, all on your Fire TV stick, all the live movies and TV shows you can dream of. Now we can hit back to the home screen, and like I showed you earlier, click the 3 squares plus sign, and Zumo Play is right there. We can click the hamburger button, move it to the front if you want, and we can open it. Zumo Play is a legal, 100% legal app available on your Fire Stick or any Android or iPhone device, or Apple device I should say. And as you can tell, we got favorites, crime, news, weathers, movies, sports, you name it. So we're able to check all these awesome videos out. So we have a live guide. If you push to the right, we have free movies for video on demand. We have TV shows on video on demand, and all the networks. So watch free movies and featured, most popular, crime, Zumo originals. Zumos now has originals. So guys, Doc Holliday, I don't think that's a Zumo original, but maybe it is. Wonder what happens when we click on it. Does it give us a little preview? Well, it doesn't give us really any as to how it's a Zumo original. Doc Holliday joins Lawman Wyatt Earp on a manhunt. So maybe this is a original knockoff of the other one, original Doc Holliday. But maybe Zumo originals just have rights to these. We got Zumo exclusives, editors picks, recently added action, thriller, comedy, romance, sci-fi, black experience, suspense, mysteries, westerns. See guys, whole whack of live TV, movies and TV shows, all for free, all 100% legal. Anyways, take it easy. Enjoy your evening watching some new movies and TV shows. Take care, folks.